Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to log in to Royal Match game without Facebook account. To log into Royal Match without Facebook is super easy. First of all, open up your Royal Match application on your mobile device like you normally would. Once you're in the home page, click on the gear button at the top right corner. In the settings menu that pops up on the screen, click on Save Your Progress. You will then be able to see several different options such as Sign in with Facebook, Sign in with Google, and Sign in with Apple. To log into Royal Match without Facebook, you can use the Sign in with Google or the Apple option. I'm going to tap on Sign in with Google. Now, continue and follow through the prompts. If you've chosen Google, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credential when asked. Type down your email or phone number associated with your Google account and click Next. Now on the next page, write down your password for your Google account in the text box. Once you are done, click Next, and then once logged into your Google account, you'll be able to sign in to Royal Match without Facebook account. Now you can continue the game. You've successfully logged into Royal Match without Facebook account. This way you can keep your game progress secure and even play across devices using Google Play Games or Apple ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.